Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with IndeX by Teal. So we have a creative constraint from Teal here. I haven't seen it before. I don't know if Teal invented it for this puzzle or not, but it looks pretty interesting. So let's go over the rules. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box. We are placing the digits 1 to 6, exactly once each. We also have these X's in the grid with arrows. These are called index cells with a capital X. Clever. So a digit in an index cell indicates exactly how many times that digit appears in the 4 diagonal directions pointed at by that cell. So let's pick this cell. It's nice and central. This cell, I'll use purple. So this green cell here, I'll use purple to represent all of the digits it sees diagonally. So it sees all of this diagonally. Whatever digit goes in here, say a 2 goes in here, tells you exactly how many 2s appear in these purple cells. So maybe we'd have like a 2 here and a 2 here, and then we wouldn't be able to put a 2 in any of the other ones. And that's it. Those are the rules. If it was a 3, we'd need 3 of them. If it was a 4, we need 4 of them, etc. That's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, well, my eye is drawn to all of these because they can't have too many. Let's just start here. So this guy sees these cells. Oh, but obviously this cell can't be the same as this one, so we can ignore that. Whatever digit goes here has to appear that many times in these green cells, but these green cells are in 2 boxes only. So this can only be a 1 or a 2. And it's going to be the same here. Can't do this one, so it's going to be 2 boxes. This is 1 or 2. Same thing here. This is 2 boxes. Can't go there, so 1 or 2. Right? Just to be clear, if this was like a 3, I'd also have to put a 3 here. That conflicts in the box, right? Okay, so now we know that these 2 are the same digit through the medium of this guy. If this is a 1, that's a 2, that's a 1. So I'm curious if these can both be 2s. Okay, yeah, they can't be, right? Because if these were both 2s, right? They're either both 1s or both 2s. I would need to put a 2 in here, and I'd need to put a 2 in here, but I can't because there's already a 2 in the box. Same thing here. I need to put a 2 here and here, but I can't. So, therefore, they're both 1s, and that's a 2. All right, so that means there's a 1 in one of these 2, there's a 1 in one of these 2. Can't put them here, can't put them here. Now this 2 tells me there needs to be a 2 in one of these 2, and there's a 2 exactly right here, because this 4 is taking the other spot. All right, that seems like good progress to me. We can place a 1 in this box. This one looks down, this one looks in. Place that 1. It places this 1 and that 1. Very nice. Did I finish 1s? Looks like I can. That's our last one. Nice. Can I do more with 2s? There's a 2 in one of these 2 cells. There's a 2 in one of these 2 cells. I don't know about 2 in this box. Okay. So these are 3, 5, 6. How big can this actually be? So it sees these cells and these cells, but we can't repeat in the box. We saw that already. So this is only in 3 boxes. So of 3, 5, 6, it can only be a 3. That's a 5, 6 pair. So this definitely has to be a 3 because it's the only one in the box. We need a 3 in one of these 2, and we need a 3 in one of these 2. Okay. Nice. So this is 4, 5, 6. Let's just write that out. Can I do more 3s? 3's in one of these 2. 5, 6 pair. So these aren't 5, 6. So these are 2, 3, 4. That's not a 3. I guess I have to look at this one next. I was just trying to see if do as much Sudoku as possible for this pretty unrestricted one here. So what can it be? Well, let's highlight. We can ignore whatever's in the box. So it can't be 1, 3, or 4. So let's see. Yeah, and you can never put a 6 on an X, right? Because it would have to point at itself in order to see all 6 of them. Because there's only 6 6s in the puzzle entirely. So this is only 2, 5 because it can't be 1, 3, 4. Is 5 possible? I'm going to highlight in purple what 5 would have to do because it's 5 boxes, right? So this would be purple. This would be purple. This would be purple. This would be purple for the box. This would be purple. So if it was a 5, 5 would go in all of those cells. I think that's okay. What if it was a 2? What could be 2? Actually, instead of asking what could be 2, let's ask what's forced to be 2, right? Because this can't be 2. So if this was a 2, this couldn't be 2. So that would place a 2 here. I'll use, I don't know, blue for that. So 2 would be here. A 2 here would make this a 4. Let's see, this is 2, 3, 4. Let's mark that. Oh, but via these corner marks here, a 2 would make that a 2. So we'd have our 2 2s. None of the other greens could be 2. These can't be 2 anyway. This can't be 2 anyway. So this wouldn't be 2. So this would be 2. But it can't be. Oh, interesting. So basically, we wouldn't be able to put 2 in this box, because if this was a 2, the 2 blue cells would be 2. This would not be allowed to be a 2, because then we'd have 3 2s being pointed at, which is against the rules. But this also can't be 2, because we just placed a 2 here. So this is a 5, and that puts a 5 in all our purple cells. And I don't need any more colors. Okay. So that places the 6 here. These aren't 5s. Places the 2 here, places the 2 there. All right, we get our 4, 6. This is our 4. Okay. This is 2 or 3. Here's 2, 3, 6. That's not a 2. This is a 4, 6. The 6 goes here. This is a 4. Let's get rid of those corner marks. This, we can finish the row with a 6. Finish this box with a 6. That's 3. That's 2 and 6. That's a 3. This 3 in the corner, deet toots. Finish the box with a 4. We get the 2 and the 3 here. That's a 3. We finish with a 4, and we have the correct solution. Nice. That was really clever, Teal. I liked the interaction here, where these were forced to be 1, 2 pairs. These were the same, and therefore could not be 2s, because they need to put additional 2s in the same box. And then this was really neat, where it couldn't be a 2 because we'd remove 2 entirely from this box. That's crazy. All right. Well, I think on the difficult side, unless I missed something, like I did a step that was more difficult than it needed to be. But yeah, it was still very, very interesting. So thanks, Teal. Hope you enjoyed this as well. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.